What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI credit card delivery. Pag-uusapan natin guys, gaano nga ba katagal yung BPI credit card delivery the moment na na-approve kayo, so gaano nga ba katagal bago dumating sa address ninyo. Pag-uusapan natin guys, yung mga dapat yung malaman, ano nga ba yung dapat yung gawin kapag hindi dumating yung BPI credit card ninyo sa delivery address na kung saan ano yung nilagay ninyo. And of course, kung paano nga ba ma-check yung status at the same time gaano katagal kung nasaan yung address ninyo. Kasi nakadepende siya guys kung nasaan yung address ninyo. Like for example, kapag nasa Metro Manila, mas mabilis siya. Kapag nasa Mindanao, mas matagal siya, of course. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, here, BPI credit cards are generally delivered within 3 banking days for Metro Manila and 5 banking days for areas outside Metro Manila after approval. So as you can see guys, after approval. Hindi po ibig sabihin na pag-apply ninyo, tapos nagbilang agad kayo kung ilang days bago dumating sa inyo. Hindi po ganon. Antayin ninyo yung text message ni BPI which is yung approval. Tapos, kapag naka-receive na kayo, na-approve yung BPI credit card ninyo, tapos dispatch na siya for delivery. Hindi ibig sabihin nun guys na nag-text sila na approve na yung BPI credit card application ninyo, so magbibilang agad kayo. Hindi po ganon. Kailangan nyo munang antayin na mag-text si BPI na ang BPI credit card ninyo is out for delivery na. Ganun yun. Tapos saka pa lang kayo magbibilang ng 3 to 5 banking days within Metro Manila, 5 banking days for outside Metro Manila. Ganun siya. While approval itself can take up to 15 banking days, as you can see. The delivery of the physical card is relatively fast once dispatched, with SMS notifications sent upon delivery. So ito guys, isa-isahin natin. While approval itself can take up to 15 banking days. So meaning, nung nag-apply kayo, kailangan nyo mag-antay ng 15 days before kayo mag-follow up about your BPI credit card application. Kapag hindi pa kayo nakaka-receive ng notification about your BPI credit card application status. So make sure to wait 15 days before kayo mag-follow up para sigurado na may ma-receive kayong or may matanggap kayong sagot about your concern. Kasi kung pag-apply pa lang ninyo, tumawag agad kayo na nagtanong kayo kung ano yung status ng credit card application ninyo, wala po kayong makukuhang sagot. Tapos, the moment na nag-text na approve na yung BPI credit card application ninyo, antayin nyo ulit yung text message na out for delivery na. Kasi nakalagay dito, the delivery of the physical card is relatively fast once dispatched. So, saka nyo palang bilangin yung 3 to 5 banking days kapag within Metro Manila, 5 banking days naman or more outside Metro Manila. Especially guys, kapag yung address niyo is nasa Mindanao area. Delivery time frames. Ito yung mga breakdown guys kung ilang days, gaano katagal darating sa address ninyo yung BPI credit card ninyo kapag i-out for delivery na. Metro Manila is 3 banking days. So, depende rin ito guys kung yung address ninyo is mabilis mahanap. Kasi kung yung address nyo is hindi ganun kabilis mahanap, mas tatagal pa kahit nasa Metro Manila kayo, tatagal pa rin sa 3 banking days. Provincial or outside Metro Manila, 5 banking days. Ganito naman guys, kapag outside Metro Manila, like for example, within Metro Manila kasi yung mga lugar na yun is yung Pasig, Mandaluyong, Quezon City, ganyan. Tapos ngayon kung outside Metro Manila, yung Bulacan, Laguna, ganyan. Outside Metro Manila na yan. Tapos, ang gagawin nyo guys, if ever na matagal na, hindi pa rin dumarating, it's time to follow up about your BPI credit card application to know more the status if ito ba in transit pa or nag-return to sender na. So, you can ask for delivery tracking, which is you can check the status of your credit card of your application via BPI phone banking, which is yung hotline number is 889-10000, 1 889 tapos 1 then 4 na 0 or through the BPI online portal. So ngayon guys, kapag hindi nyo alam kung ano yung status ng credit card delivery niyo, pwede kayong tumawag dyan or sa BPI contact center para at least kung pagkatawag ninyo, sila na mismo magkoconnect sa inyo sa BPI Credit Card Delivery Department. Yung application approval kasi guys is take up to 15 banking days. Nung pagka-apply ninyo, umaabot ng 15 days before siya ma-approve. Tapos, saka pa lang kayo mag-expect ng delivery ng credit card ninyo kapag na-approve yung BPI credit card application ninyo. Hindi pwede yung kaka-apply nyo pa lang, puproblemahin nyo kaagad yung BPI credit card delivery ninyo. Kasi hindi po ganun yun. Kailangan nyo muna mag-antay ng approval before nyo pa i-consider yung delivery ng credit card ninyo kung bakit hindi pa dumarating. Activation. Ngayon, kapag na-receive na ninyo guys yung BPI credit card ninyo, once you receive, activate via SMS by typing BPI ACT, last 4 digits of card, and sending to 22568. So, kapag halimbawa, successfully delivered na yung BPI credit card ninyo, dumating na sa bahay ninyo, kailangan nyo munang i-activate yan para magamit ninyo. Ngayon guys, kapag hindi talaga dumating yung BPI credit card ninyo, tumawag na kayo, tapos alam mo nangyari, sinabi na bumalik na sa sender. So, ano yung dapat nyong gawin? It's time to request for a BPI credit card redelivery. Tawagan ninyo yung official hotline number ni BPI, which is yung contact center nila, of course. Then, sabihin nyo sa kanila na yung BPI credit card delivery is hindi po successfully delivered sa bahay ninyo. Ngayon, ang dapat nyong gawin is to request BPI credit card redelivery. But this time, guys, you make sure to check your address. Kailangan nyo malaman na yung address nyo dapat is fully detailed para hindi naliligaw-ligaw si courier or si rider. Then ito guys, make sure lang na yung BPI credit card mobile number na kung ano yung naka-register noong nag-apply kayo, dapat talaga is ginagamit ninyo lagi yon. Dapat active talaga yon, especially pati rin yung email. Kasi kapag hindi yun activated or hindi yun ninyo ginagamit, hindi nyo na-access yung email at saka hindi nyo ginagamit yung mobile number na nilagay nyo nung nag-apply kayo ng BPI credit card, doon kasi lahat ipapadala yung notifications, guys. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo na yung mobile number, kung ano yung ilalagay nyo, dapat everyday nyo talaga siya ginagamit. Kasi kapag hindi nyo yung ginagamit, so hindi nyo makikita yung text message ni BPI about your BPI credit card application at the same time yung BPI credit card delivery. So, paano nyo malalaman ngayon kung parating na or hindi pa? Especially yung email. So, like for example, pagka-apply ninyo, yun na yung nilagay ninyo, tapos nawala yung SIM card. The problem is a very, very big talaga. Hindi yan basta ganun lang. Dapat yung gawin is to contact BPI Contact Center kapag may application kayo sa BPI tapos nawala yung mobile number na yon. Sabihin nyo na ipa-update niyo yung mobile number since nawala yung BPI credit card mobile number na nakalink doon nung nag-apply kayo. Kasi kapag created yung account niyo, if ever na na-process na, may record na kayo doon. Kaya naman be aware lang guys na dapat yung mobile number talaga, uulitin ko lang, at saka yung email is dapat na-access nyo siya all the time. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!